So hi guys, I'm excited for the event today. It's Year of the Snake, Year of the Serpentine. So this is my outfit for today. And sa labas pa lang ng store, makikita mo na agad ito. I am really excited for the clients. So this is my bag today. So of course, Serpentine forever. So why choose jewelry with the iconic snake? Serpentine is a timeless and powerful symbol, Bulgari's charismatic and captivating icon. Serpentine has incarnated the mystery and fascination of infinite metamorphosis. One sign, endlessly rebirth for a journey that never ends. Tanige, Calamansi, and Duya. The Awakening, Ruru Madrid and Bianca Umali sa kabilang side ng table. So I'm here, I'm waiting for the second dish. The Evolution, Smoked Eel, Mango. You can really taste the evolution. And for the main course, Infinite Rebirth. And syempre, may gold. Gold na po yung iniinom natin. A very special drink for us. Are you familiar with the shape? Of course, it's infinity. It's Wagyu, Gremolata, Adlai. We really loved and enjoyed the food. And of course, the last but not the least, Eternal Legacy. Dark Chocolate, Baracco, Creme Brulee, Espurma. Delicioso.